Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you something about the mitre saw, to operate and how to cut different angles. First off, we're going to start with the scale of the mitre saw. It has 45 degrees on both sides, then 90 degrees in the middle, as you can see. That is 90 degrees right there. So it has a lock. There's a button right there where I'm pressing. You just press it in order to flip the saw to whatever degrees that you want to cut the wood. As you can see right there, that is 45 degrees. So you can just press and move it all around through the 90 degrees mark to the 45 on the other end, as you can see. And you can bring it back, so you have to release that button in order to lock at the required degrees that you want to cut. Then next up, we have that button right there that helps you to move the saw up and down. Right there it is locked. You can't move, you press it a bit, move it down and up as you cut and as you move the wood around. Next up, we have those two pieces that help you to hold the wood, as I'm going to show you. When you put that wood, it's going to be bending and it's going to be disturbing, so those two pieces help out on keeping that wood flat. So we hold one in that very position. As you can see, you have those two holes right there where you fix that piece. You fix it like that, so then it has a screw on the side. You screw it in order for it to be firm, it doesn't come out. If you want to remove it, you unscrew, then remove the piece, put it back when you're going to work. So as you're going to keep, you keep it out. So it has both sides. Even on this side, you do the same. Fix it right there, screw it so that it is firm. So after that, when you put the wood, it can be held in a very good position. It won't have to bend, so you can do your work very well. So as you can see, you can move around the scale, you put the wood and cut the required measurements that you have chosen. So you can see there, that is the 90 degrees I'm going to be showing you. You grab your square, place it there, it shows a perfect 90 degrees cut. You can still confirm that with a square, that is 90 degrees on both sides, as you can see. Perfect, 90 degrees. So now you can flip it to 45 degrees and see how that works out. You cut, that is 45 degrees angle. As you can see, that is bent a bit. So you place your square, that is 90 degrees, and you place it like that, that is 45 degrees. As you can see, it has come out well. So you can, in case you want to make a 45 degrees angle joint, you cut both wood, then you join whatever glue of your choice, so it will come out like that. But still, at that corner it will be 45 degrees, it will be 90 degrees rather, sorry. So as you can see, I'm demonstrating right there, that is 90 degrees, but with a very good curve and a very good joining angle. 45 degrees right there. So you bring it back to 90 degrees mark, and you lock, and that's it. Thank you so much for viewing. In my next video, I'll be showing you how to prepare a wood surface before spraying.